Happy New Year's, everyone. We're actually out here for the New Year driving at Sonoma Raceway. It's a little bit wet, so we have some secret sauce. Check this out. What we've done is we put the pedal commander in city mode, and we turned it all the way down to 1. So it made it as smooth as possible and the best throttle control I can have. So for the rain, I can actually control the turbo in this thing. But when we go to FD, we turn this thing on full sport mode, and we turn it up to the moon, which gives us full kill mode. It is insane, all the power we need, and makes it very drivable. So whether you're driving in slippery conditions, icy conditions, or out there on the racetrack full kill, Pedal Commander is the unit for you. So you can go to pedalcommander.com, use promo code New Year. You save $50 off any Pedal Commander unit from the 26th of December to January 6th. So go out there, get a Pedal Commander, and live life full throttle.